Grand Rising, everyone. This is our breakfast this morning. My daughter made it. We are celebrating Women's History Month, and also this month is my birthday also. She used 2 cups of oat milk, 2 bananas, half a cup of almond, 4 teaspoons of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of cacao, half a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, 6 dates, and 1 cup of ice. She blended all together in a blender. It took less than 5 minutes. The benefit is so much. This breakfast smoothie is full of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and it fills you. You don't need to eat anything for breakfast. You can take it with you on the way to go to work. This is yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching my video.